or, but, neither nor, not only but also, either or. All these means these are the connectors, or these are the conjunctions by which we can make the coordination. So these sentences or these clauses are connected by the conjunctions. By the conjunctions means which conjunctions are there? The conjunctions of the compounding words, or the conjunctions of the coordination, they make these sentences. For example, I told him about his problem, but he did not pay attention. I told him about his problem, but he did not pay attention. In this sentence, there are the two separate sentences.